Meaning of interior decoration.
Interior decoration.
Interior decoration.
Interior decoration.
Interior decoration. Interior decoration refers to the art and science of enhancing the interior of a building or a space to achieve a healthier and more aesthetically pleasing environment for the people using the space. This includes the selection of color schemes, furniture, decorative accessories, lighting, and other elements that are used to create a particular ambience within a space. Interior decoration is often used to improve the functionality of a space, as well as to express the personal style and taste of the occupants. It can be applied to a variety of settings, including homes, offices, restaurants, hotels, and other commercial spaces.